So it's been a little while. I don't want to hear anything about it because I came back anyway. I'm just happy to be here. Hi, welcome to I don't know, what is it, the 6th episode of Cooking with Roony? It's actually the 5th. I'm Roony and here's the food we're gonna cook. Many of you have seen an unboxing video before. No, fuck that. We've got unbagging video. This video is not sponsored by Hy-Vee, although I wish it was. We got flour tortillas. Good size. Shredded lettuce. Cheese. And taco seasoning. I know you've seen these soft taco shells, flour tortillas, and you're gonna be like, why isn't he making crunchy tacos? Here to discuss my hatred of crunchy tacos is Haley. What do you got for us?
This piece of shit taco.
What kind of a sick fucker brings a crunchy taco into my house?
You see this?
Oh, look at this. It's already creating a mess. And that's one of my biggest problems with crunchy tacos. They're constantly creating a mess. You ever bitten into an Oreo? And you think to yourself, you know, the Oreo is gonna break exactly where I want it to. But no, it doesn't. Look at this, it's like breaking over. I didn't even touch this place and it's already falling apart. And that's a pretty good summary of what it's like to eat a crunchy taco.
Disgusting.
It's disgusting. It's messy.
We have problem number 2, which is the sogginess of a crunchy taco.
Oh.
Do you see this?
It's already falling. See, now it's messy and it's soggy.
What are you supposed to do? It's a crunchy taco. I'm supposed to have crunch, not
Whatever the
sog.
fuck that is.
I don't know what kind of disgusting piece of shit that is, but get it out of my
It's
house.
revolting. My other problems with crunchy tacos are basic stuff. It's a fucking choking hazard, and I'm not about that. If I wanted crunch, I'd get some Tostitos. Overall, this is pointless. This isn't how the Mexican people invented tacos. I love Taco Bell as much as any other person. I'm sure you feel the same way. But Jesus fuck, what an abomination this thing is. Soft tacos, on the other hand, do not choke you. They do not get soggy. I don't know how, though. Because, you think flour...
You would think that it would, absorb the taco.
You can't choke on this. It doesn't get soggy. It's not a mess because you can literally shape it around the taco however you want. Crunchy taco, it's like, nah, this is what you get. This is how it's going to be.
You take a bite and you don't get everything. You know what I'm saying?
You know what you get? You get a fucking avalanche falling off the part that you bit off.
All the good stuff falls right off the taco.
We're about to show this crunchy taco what happens when their kind shows up around these parts. We've got a bat, but so we should be good to go. John, put the gasoline back. We're not using the gasoline.
You sure?
Piece of shit. Disgusting. See what happens? See what you made me do? I've been waiting a long time to say this. Where's the beef? Jesus fuck! It's here. It's probably a different color now. I didn't film myself pouring water in because if you can't figure out how to pour water in, this channel is not for you. We've got 2/3 cups of water in there. And now, see, I told you, John, you bruised it from that fucking MLB grade fastball you hurled at me. Taco beef is one of those simple recipes where you can just take a pound, a packet, a little bit of water, and then scale it to infinity. It's strong stuff, I'll tell you. I need this. I feel like the bulk of most of the videos I put on this channel are just me doing this, very sensuously. Is beef ASMR a thing? Ground beef ASMR?
Yes.
Well, this is about to be that as well. And it's as simple as that. In no time at all, we have something. Whew, that's some good stuff. This is the only way you can actually tell how good beef is. Judging by the taste test alone, it's ready to go. And now I'm gonna let Haley cook. All right, be gentle. All right, that's enough. Hey, relax, right? It's that stuff. You're just filling the ice. Stop shaking so much. Jesus, man. What are you doing? Stop. Good God. What's wrong with you? Why are you shaking?
gotten tens before.
That's okay. There's a first time for everything. You know why I made you get the ice?
I do not. Can you
Ice
explain?
and Baja Blast. Does anything come to mind?
A Taco Bell freeze.
That is correct. We're gonna make a Taco Bell freeze. The summer is the best time to make these because you don't have to like mix your own bootleg Baja Blast because you can just buy it straight from the store.
Screw happy hour.
Here, calm down. You're just pouring it in. Better not fucking spill. See, that wasn't so bad.
Okay.
You're doing great. You're doing great. Come on, you got this, right? See, you had it in you. On an exotic 4K Ultra HD surround sound blender like this one, you have a lot of different options to choose from. But the extreme and the most obvious choice for, you know, crushing ice is Ice Crush. And we're gonna do just that. It's going all over the place.
No.
John, just get this. Behind us, you'll hear the dog making a fuss. That is normal.
She smells the beef.
She does smell the beef, and so do I. You really should probably know when to stop at this point.
Stop. Stop.
Okay.
You have to spread it evenly. You know how to build a taco? That's all I'm
Just gotta roll it up.
No.
You roll that good shit.
Oh.
It's also expertly paired because only experts can use it, such as myself. If you amateurs try so much as even lay a finger on this, don't give me that look. This is for me and me only. If you amateurs so much as try and lay a finger on this, that's it. Done! I said no cheese. He got lucky there. Most people have a stroke and not just a seizure. Unlike the cheese with lettuce, there's no need to be picky because it's fucking lettuce. Take some, sprinkle some on, put it up your nose, up your ass. I don't care. I'm not your dad. One of the fantastic extra features of this blender is it's also a juicer. Now, if you look at the front, you see there's not actually any place for the juice to come out. And that's because it comes out from the back. Maya, show them, please. This is what we're really here after. It might not look like it, but this is what a Taco Bell freeze is actually made out of. Thank you so much for coming back. I had a lot of fun recording this. Thanks to my two lovely friends, John and other John. I'll post their links in the description. See you next time, unless I decide to disappear for another year and a half. Hey John, do you want a taco or something?
I'm
'Cause
good.
All of us are eating.
I gotta observe Ramadan as a faithful Muslim.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna Baja blast my brains out.